So this week I decided to focus on putting all everything I've done so far together. So firstly I started with the exploration of my mood board, and so I have a big interest in farming as I come from a farming background, and from this I've actually developed a interest in gardening. I do quite a bit of gardening at home here myself. So these are basically my interests, and just put together a few pictures of the kind of areas I'd be interested in and so on. Next from there I went on to do my need finding. So I kind of looked at mainly gardening, about what needs to be done in gardening and what kind of problems that there is and what can be improved and so on. So the area that I'm more or less focusing on is the food waste and how I can turn that into something that can be useful again. So what I went through in this section was I went through what am I trying to improve, where does the problem exist in the world, and why does this problem need to be solved. So as you can see here from my need finding, I suppose, slide, you can see how I answer those questions. From there then I went on to the analysis section. I skipped over the initial ideas as I hadn't really thought up of any designs yet or anything that I have that will solve my issue so far. So on the analysis I broke down the module problem statement, took out the keywords from it. So the keywords I took out were sustainable, social issues and environmental issues. So I explored what a social issue is and the various different social issues that are in the world at the minute, as you can see from here. And sustainable, I broke down what it was. So something that has a long life, something that is not harmful to the environment. So that's kind of what it means to me. Then I broke that down into, I suppose, brainstormed it more. Then I did the same for the environmental issue. So it's a harmful effect on the environment caused by human activity. Then I broke that down further into different sections. So food waste, global warming, climate change, deforestation, renewable energy, water usage, recycling, so on. So then I also broke down what the requirements of the brief were. So 80% of the material that I need to use for my artifacts must come from waste or end-of-life products, and the size of the artifact, so it can't be bigger than 450 mil by 450 mil, and it has to be lightweight. So I'm going to explore these sections more in my research and through kind of developing my initial ideas, and I'll be doing the same for my main user and the main function of the artifact.